Hi you guys, today I'll make a video to show you how to use a full automatic screen printing machine for plastic cups. We will begin with power up the machine. Supply power and compressed air to the machine. Adjusting air pressure about 6 bar is okay for the machine operate in good condition. Turn the clockwise direction of the stop button and press the button on the left to turn on the screen. Align the plastic cup and the cover to ensure they are concentric with each other. Inspect them after adjustment by looking both horizontally and vertically. In the next step, we will adjust a loading system by loosening this handle and position the vacuum nozzle so that the spring of this vacuum nozzle is compressed by approximately 3 mm, then tighten it. Continue to select this button to activate the push cylinder. Loosen the handles here and adjust the push cylinder so that the plastic cup is not against the core, neither pushing too deep or too shallow. Now press home button. Continue to adjust the period on the conveyor. We put a stack of cups into the conveyor first and align to ensure that it is right in the middle of the conveyor belt. The plate used to block the plastic cups will move downward. Then we push the stack of cups forward. Then adjust the direction sensor towards the mount of the cup and the distance to the cup about 3 mm. Now we move to set up the printing section. Place the frame into the frame clamp component. Then tighten the handles and adjust the frame so that it is parallel to the machine frame. Achieve this by raising or lowering these two mechanisms. Here, adjusting the printing plate to be parallel to the frame by adjusting these screws. Then continue to adjust the depth of printing plate so that the plate pushes the silk screen into contact with the core by turning this bolt counterclockwise. Return to the screen, go to printing page, select one time and ready. Then press print to initiate the one-time printing process. Next step is to check the print quality. If the print meets the requirements, select Auto and press print on the screen to let the machine run automatically. Those are all the basic steps for adjusting the fully automatic cup printing machine. I hope this video is helpful for you.